Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sneha Shetty, Clinical Director, Chief Fertility Specialist, Laparoscopic Surgeon and Gynecologist from Rich Fertility here at HSR Layout, Bengaluru. So, is pre-implantation genetic testing of the embryos recommended for all IVF patients? So, usually this pre-implantation genetic testing of the embryos, we do it if at all the couple's age is more than 40 years, or if there is any family history of genetic disorders running in their family, or if they have repeated miscarriages which are happening, or repeated IVF failures are there. But generally, we do not recommend it to all the couples who are undergoing IVF. Couples should consult their fertility specialist and discuss the pros and cons of this genetic testing of embryos in order to understand whether they should opt to go for it or not. A personalized approach, the right age, considering their financial situations, and assessing their medical condition is very important to take a decision whether they have to go for PGT testing or not. It is not a universal mandate that all the IVF patients should undergo this pre-implantation genetic testing of the embryos. So now let's discuss about the pros and cons of this testing. So some of the pros of this genetic testing of the embryos is, number one, it increases your chances of a successful pregnancy, because we know that it is a genetically euploid normal embryo. Placing such genetically good embryos inside the uterus is going to increase your chances of a successful healthy pregnancy. Number two, it definitely reduces the risk of genetic disorders. Sometimes certain subtle genetic disorders may be present in the embryo which may not be very evident. It may look like a very good quality embryo, but if there is any genetic disorder, usually it doesn't implant, or it can cause miscarriages or unhealthy, not good pregnancies. This genetic testing will prevent in unwanted miscarriages. It will help identify the genetic disorders, thereby helping in achieving a healthy, successful pregnancy. Number three, fewer embryo transfers. Because of this selection by ruling out genetic abnormalities, the embryos whichever are present, those good viable embryos will be transferred. So this reduces the chances of unwanted embryo transfers by using those unhealthy embryos, which would have resulted in unsuccessful pregnancy outcomes or in miscarriages. Now, what are the cons? Number one con of this pre-genetic implantation testing is the cost. IVF is a financially stressful condition for the couples. Pre-implanted genetic testing is going to be an added cost for this entire procedure, as it's an expensive treatment being added. Number two, potential of embryo damage. If it is performed by an unskilled embryologist, there is a very high risk of damaging the healthy embryos and also resulting in an embryos which may not be viable enough to be used later. Number three, emotional concern. Now, going through an IVF is an emotional process. Now, if a couple has sent their embryos for genetic testing and all the embryos have come out to be genetically abnormal, it can be a very emotionally taxing journey for the couples, especially for those who are young and do not have any genetic histories. They need not go through this IVF process with genetic testing, as even simple, healthy looking, normal graded, good quality embryos could result in very beautiful pregnancies.